What's going on, guys and gals? Brad here for Layton Sports Cards, ripping one box of 2017 Panini Prizm Football for Double D. No base will ship on this Double D, just so you're aware, bud. Just wanted to make sure you're aware. Good luck, bud. Wave, Carlos Hyde. Refractors. Yeah, go ahead, Freddie. Red to 49, Russell Wilson. Gale Sayers, orange, Devontae Mays. Orange, Marquise Lee. Ow. God. Blue, TJ Yeldon. Green to 99, Terrell Pryor Sr. Illuminati, Aaron Rodgers. Blue, TJ Logan. Joe Theismann. 150 points for you. Orange, Mohamed Sanu. Autograph, Corey Clement, not numbered. Joe Mixon insert, green to 99, Gary and Conley. Autograph, base, Alvin Kamara. Base on the back. That does it for your box, Double D. Get that right out to you, bud. Thank you for the purchase.